So there you go, guys. This is my 2003 Oil Mustang SVT Cobra. Currently has almost 41,000 miles. But about 3 months ago, I totally love this car, and as you can see, it's in pretty good shape. I must say. And I love driving this thing. This is my weekend car, and I just want to give you a short walk around. We're gonna pop the hood, so I'll show you. It's got a pulley, it has a tune, it's got 275 on the back. Yeah, but overall it's just, this is my all-time favorite car. And yeah, I love this thing. Let's just pop the hood. Let's take another quick look at the front. It's just a beautiful car. The car has currently has heat exchanger. I don't know if you can see it on the bottom, which is Cobra. Yeah, and it's got a filter, it's got a pulley, and I can't wait to do some mods on this thing, because these cars are little monsters. And yeah, I mean, I couldn't really get on it that hard because we're on the streets, and it's hard to explore the power of this car. There it is. Got an upper, stock lower, stock headers, stock throttle body, stock plenum, stock EATON, stock filter, stock intake with the filter, and that's pretty much it. This is aftermarket, it's all water, but it's very, very small, so it doesn't do much. It's got a heat exchanger, and you need to, you know, these things produce a ton of heat. So there you go, guys. There you have it. There's my Cobra. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by, please consider subscribing. I post a lot of Mustang content, as you can see on my playlist. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.